Congratulations on your purchase of a Roxform VENTURIS. It's arrived in the box like this. Now we're going to unpack it and do the final assembly, ready to ride. Remember, when you order your Roxform bike online, you can always opt to collect it from one of our dealer network, in which case it will be fully assembled, ready for you to collect. Alternatively, you can order the bike to be delivered to you at home or work, and it will arrive in a box. The tutorials will tell you how to build it, and the tools you require will be a standing knife for cutting the box open, a set of cutters for removing the cable ties that hold the bike together, a pedal wrench 15mm, a set of hex or Allen keys, and an 8mm wrench. You've now finished the final assembly on your Roxform VENTURIS and it's ready to ride.